How can you change Roblox profile picture on PC and laptop? In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you change profile picture on your Roblox account. You have to follow the steps. First of all, make sure that you've already installed the Roblox Player app on your device. And after you've already installed it, so click the open button and log into your account. So once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, and here you want to click on avatar from the top left hand side corner. As you go to avatar, here you'll be able to see your current avatar. Then what next you want to do is you could either go to marketplace or customize. If you want to customize it, so you could go and make changes with some of the information such as your postures and such thing. Now let's see, I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm just gonna go and click on it, and I have to actually go ahead and pay this amount of Robux in order to get this customized ones. Now you could also go to marketplace and you could make changes with it such as this, and I need to go ahead and play, or I have to go ahead and actually buy it or purchase it with this. And when you go to this filter icon from the top of your profile, you want to go ahead and click on it, and you could find your profile picture. Now what you want to do is you want to scroll down a bit, and you could go and make changes by tapping on these icons in the right hand side, in the left hand side corner, or you could go ahead and change the head shape, all of that, and adjust it. So once you've done it, so you want to head back to the same page, or you want to just click on the arrow icon from the top right once again and click on your current profile picture or the avatar. Now this is my current one. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on it, and as I do it, so I can go ahead and make changes with my avatar positions such as these, and click on the next button, after which you want to go ahead and see how long you want to hold on. You could go ahead and zoom it out, or you could actually go ahead and rotate it as well by dragging the button and click on the next button, after which you want to click on the save button. And with that being said, then you've successfully changed your Roblox profile picture. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.